Hey guys, it's Kevin from Subispeed. It's the beginning of February, and that means it's time to take a look at some new products. If you guys haven't already done so, be sure to click on the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on any new install videos, product reviews, and coverage of any of the events that we go to. Also visit our website and click on that new products tab to see all the new products that we are constantly adding. We're going to start off with our very own Subispeed shift knob. As you can see, there are two different versions, a short version and a tall version. If you're looking for something that's really similar to your stock knob with some added weight, the short version is the way to go. Otherwise, the tall version is a bit slimmer, but still gives you a great grip. Now, they're very easy to install. All you have to do is unscrew your old shift knob, screw these back in. For the short version, there is a set screw that's in here with a included Allen key so you can adjust that and make sure the gated pattern is orientated correctly. For the tall version, the gated pattern is actually on this little chip here, so once you have this screwed in tight, you can install this without worrying about getting anything adjusted. Now, I have the red versions here, but we also have these available in a black and blue finish. The short version weighs in at 289 grams, while the tall version weighs in at 388. So they both have some nice weight to them. So if you're looking for a new shift knob, definitely check these out. This next part is something most of you guys don't think about, but you use ever so often, or at least you should be using ever so often. It is your oil dipstick. Now, whether you don't like the yellow finish, or maybe you've broken it, or you never get an accurate reading, that is where the Super Stick Performance Dipstick comes into play. This not only adds an aesthetic appearance, it also serves a purpose. With the stock dipstick, every time you insert it and pull it out of your motor, the O-ring creates a vacuum which can distort your oil reading. With this, there's a button that you can press that opens a valve that bypasses that O-ring so you get accurate readings every single time. Now, these are available in red, black, gold, and blue with a gold button so you can match it up with the rest of your engine dress-up parts. Hopping back in the car, we've got the GCS suction cup cell phone mount. This uses a gel suction cup to increase the strength so you don't have to worry about your phone falling off. You can mount this either on your dash or on your window. It uses a clamp system that's really easy to use to hold your phone. So if you're looking for something to hold your phone while you're using the GPS or even a lap timer, GCS has you covered. If you guys want to black out that orange side marker on the side of your headlights, but you don't want to open up your headlights like we've done here, we just revised our front side marker and headlight overlay. The first version only covered a small section of the side of your headlight, but now we've extended it and followed the contours of the sea light to give you better coverage. For you SCI guys out there, we have the brand new AFE Twisted Steel Downpipe. Utilizes a 400 CPSI catalytic converter to maximize your airflow. It's constructed out of mandrel bent brushed 304 stainless steel that's 100% hand TIG welded. Includes an extra O2 bung so you can install your wideband O2 sensor. So if you're looking to boost your performance, this is certainly going to increase both your horsepower and torque gains. Another useful product for this month are the OLM convex mirrors. Now, there's a lot of different options ranging from turn signals, blind spot monitoring to heated mirrors. So it's up to you to decide if you want to add those turn signals or not and retain any functions that your car has. These are going to greatly reduce your blind spot and improve your visibility while driving. So they're definitely something to consider. We're going to jump into new wheels for this month, starting out with the Rays Graham Lights 57 CRs in a brand new bronze finish. These are in the 18 by 9.5 plus 38 fitment. They're available for pre-order right now on our website and are expected to ship out May of this year. So if you want to be the first ones to have these, head on over to our website and pre-order to lock your set in. Another Rays Graham Lights wheel we have is the 57 XTCs in a brand new super dark gunmetal finish. If you haven't seen these before, these are basically 57 Extremes with a literal twist. You've got that super dark gunmetal finish on the inside on the spokes with a diamond cut outer ring as an accent. Moving right along, we have the Ambit FF3s in an 18 by 9.5 plus 35 fitment. These feature a unique split spoke design and are now available in a matte bronze and a matte gunmetal alongside all the other colors we have available on our website. We've also got in a new matte blue finish for some work wheels. These are in the 18 by 9.5 plus 38 fitment. The new finish gives the wheels a navy blue look with a nice matte sheen to them. You've got the T7Rs, CR Kawamis, and MCOs to choose from. Last but not least, we've decided to carry the Cosmos racing wheel lineup, specifically the R1s currently. These are in the 18 by 9.5 plus 35 fitment. We've got silver, bronze, hyper bronze, black chrome, matte black, and white to choose from. Moving right along, we have the 3D Mag Spider floor mats for the WRX, SCI, Forester, and BRZ. These are an inexpensive floor mat that's going to rival the WeatherTechs and Huskies because they not only give you that all-weather protection, but they are the most aesthetically pleasing out of the three as well. They have a patented 3-layer construction, with the surface layer being thermoplastic rubber, which is strong and durable. The inner layer is a high-density XPE foam known for its ability to withstand heat and water, and the bottom layer is a Mag Spider fiber that grips all carpet types, preventing any sliding. I'm going to go ahead and install these into the car to show you how well they actually fit. As you can see, they contour the footwell perfectly, and they have those raised edges to keep any dirt and debris you drag in contained, and they also blend in pretty well with your carpet to give you that OEM look. While we're here, we can talk about another product that's going to help protect your interior, which is the Sticker Fab interior door protectors. Now this one is actually purple to show you the area that's covered, but these come in a 3D carbon fiber vinyl that's pre-cut for easy installation to help prevent any scuffs or scratches. Another new product for the inside of the car is the carbon fiber e-brake handle with black ends. Now we have the original one installed on our SCI, but it has the chrome ends, so if you're going for more of a blacked out or stealth look, we now have this option for you. Stepping outside our SCI, you can see that we no longer have our OEM SCI spoiler, but for those of you who do, we now have the Subispeed carbon fiber wing stiffeners available. These are going to help reduce the flex in your OEM spoiler and give you a nice added touch of carbon fiber to your rear end. You can run a single one or however many you'd like to give you that unique rally-inspired look. Last but not least, if you guys haven't already seen, our inexpensive Subispeed air fresheners are now available on our website due to popular demand. If you guys want to keep your car smelling fresh and clean, you can add these to any of your future orders. And that's about it, guys. Those are some of the new products of this month. If you guys like something you saw, check out the links down in the description. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to email us or give us a ring. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest videos. I'll see you guys next time.